We're diving into the buzzing rumors about DJI's next-generation drone, the highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro. Despite the recent release of DJI's Compact Neo, a vlogging-friendly drone for everyday use, the Mini series remains the gold standard for aerial photography enthusiasts. So, what can we expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Let's explore its rumored features, possible release date, and the upgrades that might make it the ultimate drone in its class. One of the Mini series' most defining features is its sub-250g weight, which allows users in many regions, including the US, to fly without needing special permits. This lightweight design makes it incredibly accessible, but it also limits how much DJI can upgrade without crossing this crucial threshold. Rumor has it that the Mini 5 Pro may include a larger camera sensor, possibly a 1-inch sensor, an exciting leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor of the Mini 4 Pro. A bigger sensor means sharper images, improved low-light performance, and richer details. Perfect for capturing landscapes even in challenging lighting, but don't expect a dramatic increase in resolution. DJI seems more focused on enhancing dynamic range and overall image clarity, prioritizing quality over quantity when it comes to pixels. Drone enthusiasts are buzzing about potential advancements in AI tracking. With improved subject tracking, the Mini 5 Pro could follow fast-moving objects, like vehicles or athletes, with greater precision. This would be a game-changer for action-packed videography. Another exciting possibility is 5G connectivity. If included, it would mean smoother real-time controls, high-resolution live feeds, and better overall responsiveness. Such features would make the Mini 5 Pro a must-have for both hobbyists and professional users. The Mini 4 Pro already impressed with a 40-minute flight time, and DJI is expected to match or even extend this without compromising the drone's lightweight design. Combining extended battery life with portability, the Mini 5 Pro could maintain its position as an excellent entry-level drone that doesn't skimp on performance. DJI has followed a roughly annual release cycle for its Mini series. So many are speculating a late 2024 or early 2025 launch for the Mini 5 Pro. If the rumors are accurate, we might see an announcement as soon as November. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might not be a revolutionary redesign, but it promises meaningful upgrades that could refine the aerial photography experience. From improved camera performance and AI tracking to potentially groundbreaking connectivity options, this drone could set a new benchmark for compact drones. What are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know the features you'd love to see. Be sure to subscribe to Photomica for the latest news, insights, and reviews from the world of cameras and drones. Stay tuned for more updates on DJI's upcoming releases.